Well, hey, good morning. Hey, now on Monarchs, they've done this for a very long time on the tailstocks. They've installed a wiper, have this metal part here that's held on with screws, and it's got felt in it, a felt ring, and it helps lubricate and protect the quill. And they didn't do that with all lathes. And I did it to the Axelson over here. And I'll show you that. Be right there. So I had to take a little bit of a break from my woodworking and make something out of metal. So here is the quill wiper for this Axelson tailstock. And I had to notch it for the rack and pinion. Here to protrude. And I think that's a worthwhile thing to do because I'm using the tailstock a lot. And I don't know, Monarch does it, and I think it does help preserve the bearing there, the quill and the bore, the tailstock, and I think it helps distribute the lube better too. So that's what I did, and I used the old mill over here and a little bit of the jig bore, and kind of cobbled together a video. But so I'll do this, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be finished up totally with the woodworking. I think. Okay. I find these old horizontal milling machines really kind of fun to use. They're kind of clunky and everything, but they're fun. I got the high-speed vertical head on here, and I'm going to notch out this ring. I thought it'd be fun just to do some milling here. I'll show you what this is for. I can't leave stuff alone. Okay, I'm gonna fire it up. Everything looks good here. Uh-oh. I think that's going to be okay. Okay. Well, that's a 5/32 end mill there. It's pretty small, but I can run it at 1650 with this high-speed head. So I'm going to give that a try and try to square that up. I'll still have to take a file of the corners though. Okay, let's fire it up, see how it runs. Okay, I'm going to run this old jig bore. It's a great companion to my vintage horizontal milling machine. And I'm doing a hole for mounting holes, three mounting holes. And this has got a variable speed Reeves drive, and it's recommended by a factory technician years ago to run the machine up and down. So I run it down to the lowest speed here. And that is 183 on this machine. It's only got one speed, and it was ordered that way with a more powerful motor. So we'll crank it up. Okay, 2,670 RPM. It's a little faster than normal, but they told me it was just fine for this machine. Now, running it up and down in speed is also recommended by Hardinge for their variable colors too. That lubricates those sheaves and helps keep them from rattling. Okay, we'll go back down here. Okay, I'll move you up a little closer. You can watch me do this. Think I can get you in there. Kind of over there. I think that's good. Okay, I got to drill these clearance holes here for the screws. And I'm using the hole function. Machine's got a brake. It's okay. I'll stick this in there. Oh, batteries in there. Here we go. This is kind of hard aluminum. It's a piece of hydraulic piston. Okay. And we will go to the next hole. Hope you're all doing well. I don't use this machine near enough. Okay, and we will push use. And it says hole number 2. And, uh-oh. We're gonna use 1, 3. Oh, I'll be right back. For some reason, it's reading the same location. I'm getting back in the swing of things using a horizontal milling machine, and I like it an awful lot. It's really pretty versatile. And I tell you what, if you can find a vertical head with a little bit of quill feed, that makes things pretty nice. These milling machines are probably the best buy out there. I was looking at HGR and they have some number 6 mills, and some of those can have 20-inch wide by 10-foot tables. Those things could be bigger than life. And I think you could get one for $3,000, but I think they weigh 20,000 pounds, 25 horsepower anyway. But they're really pretty cool to see something like that up close. But, you couldn't fit one of those in here, I don't think. There's no way to go through that door. I'd have to take the whole end out, but that'd be the only thing in here, so, something like that. But anyway, this is working out real good for me. I'm tempted to pick up a Bridgeport. There are gonna be more available locally because just a lot of stuff's closing down, and I don't know. There's I kind of like the 36-inch table ones, and I'm going to add on a little bit out here. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but I got to take care of that drill and some other things. But I'm finding this older equipment's really a pretty good deal. And one of the problems is most of the lathes and mills and stuff don't have anything with them, and the accessories are the equipment seems to really be getting more available and less costly, but often they don't have anything with them, and the accessories start becoming quite expensive. Like this Axelson, I did a video, and I believe I equipped this thing really quite well. And I believe it's like $3,000, that's scrounging around, but I think the prices are up considerably now. But there's some really good equipment buys out there that I see. And especially on the little bit larger lathes, the geared head lathes like this Axelson, and a bit larger. Some of the prices I've seen are just extremely low. But the one of the automotive guys, specialty guys here, mentioned to me, and I see it, and it's true. There's just getting to be less people that can operate equipment. So I would expect more to be available, and I don't know. I'm going to just keep plugging along, and I hope you're all doing good out there. I'm going to wrap up my woodworking tomorrow, and I should get this so it's more functional. And just using the equipment like the mill and this Axelson I've got a lot of time on. But anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will pick up later. Okay, bye-bye.